Welcome back. You're tuned into Market Cafe right here on ET Now. I'm Shruti Sharma and with me is Ashesha. And over the course of next 30 minutes, we will take you through all that is happening around the globe. And firstly, let's start with what's been happening in the US markets. And just on Friday, we have seen sharper decline happening on all the major indices of the US markets. But even today, a sea of red is what we are getting to see, not just in the US futures, but across the globe as well. But firstly, let's start with a big commentary coming in from Donald Trump. And yet again, he is making into the headlines where he's actually saying that US could take oil in Iran, says Karg Island can be seized easily, claims taking talks are progressing well, and a deal with Iran is possible soon. So that has actually helped get back some of the declines coming in from the Dow Jones futures. That has recovered mildly from the day's lowest point, but as of now, even Dow Jones futures is down or more than 250 points as we speak right now. But just on Friday, when we saw that S&P 500 did fell about 1.7%, Dow Jones was sitting at a 6-month low for itself, and even Nasdaq Composite fell 2.2% on Friday, and even the cuts are seen to be continuing this Monday morning. And well, of course, the commentary and the geopolitical development is still alive. But let's talk about the oil front, and Ashesha, seems like no respite on the oil markets.
Well, yes, escalating tensions in West Asia seem to be having an impact not only on equity markets but on commodity markets as well. Brent crude is sitting with gains of more than 3% this Monday morning. In fact, it is now trading at about $116 per barrel. That's the 1-month chart for you. Gold is down 15% over the last 1 month ever since the war broke out. Silver is down a whopping 26%, and Brent, that has risen 55% over the last 1 month, and that trajectory continues in today's trading session as well, with Brent now trading at $116 per barrel. Remember, it is up 3.3% in today's trading session, and it ended 4% higher in trade on Friday, and Brent crude is gaining for the third consecutive day in today's trading session. That's the US markets for you and the performance that we have seen over the last 1 month. And look at the kind of declines that we have seen across the board, with Nasdaq declining 4% over the last 1 month, and Indian markets too have corrected nearly 9%. Meanwhile, let's also talk about the precious metals basket then, and we have seen a lot of correction over the last few days, and that trajectory continues today as well. Gold has recovered from the lowest point of the day, but despite that, it is still down 0.8% in trade today, trading at below that $4,500 per ounce mark. And silver too is down more than 1% in trade today, below $70 per ounce. So clearly, we are seeing impact of escalating tensions in West Asia have an impact not only on the oil market but on the precious metals basket as well.